I'm from Top Mobiles once again to show you a new repair. Before starting, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel below. Alright guys, today I've got just one water damage phone, which is iPhone 6. So let's see how we'll repair this. Right guys, we have got today iPhone 6 which is water damaged. So once we will open the phone from the bottom, these two screws, we will take out all the parts, we will unplug all the LCD screen, battery, charging port, and we will drain. Then we will see which part is damaged. We will put the new parts, we will test it and see how it is. Right, so let's start. Alright guys, so first of all, these two bottom screws, we will open these with that screwdriver. And the second one. Right. So we'll just with this tail rod, we'll just lift the screen a little bit. Here you go. Just a bit, and that's out. As you can see, there is a filter which was red, and when the water goes in the phone, it becomes red. Right. So first, we will open the LCD part from here, battery, charging connector here. We'll drain it, then we will test which is damaged. We'll put the new parts. Let's see how it is. As you can see, first I will just open these two battery plates and the screws. There you go. That's the battery connector. I'll just unplug it and the charging port. There you go. That's it. Then I will start this LCD part, which are the 5 screws. 1, the middle one, 2, and number 3, 4, and the 5th one. And you can just take this plate out and just unplug the connectors. There you go, as you can see. So I'll just put a very little bit heat over here to drain it. Then I will leave it for a couple of hours. After that I will see. Yeah. So as you can see, I've just to test, I've just put the new screen, new battery, and the new charging port. I just put it on charge for quite a long time, but it's still not picking. So I think it's not a good luck this time. Guys, I've tried all my best to repair this. It depends all on how severe the phone is damaged with the water. So make sure you first drain the phone properly, not by putting it straight to heat. Just leave it for a couple of hours, drain it while putting in the dried rice or something, and then you can just open and take out all the parts. Test it. Well, this one I have tested all the parts like screen, battery, charging port, everything. It's not picking, so it's not good luck this time. So I might show you some other water damage phones, how to repair that. You might get luck with those. Alright, till the new repair. See you then. Bye.